I reached a point in my workouts where I just couldn't gain anymore. Then I found Cybergenics. In just 8 weeks, my body fat went from 9.5% to 5.2%, and I gained 8 pounds of pure muscle. The Cybergenics system of supplements, training, and diet transformed my body like I never thought possible, and I'm comfortable knowing Cybergenics is all natural. You know, 8 weeks ago, I never thought I could have come this far, this quick. But thanks to the Cybergenics system, you can see just how far I've come. Cybergenics worked for me.
Cybergenics Total Bodybuilding System is available at all general nutrition centers and where other fine health foods are sold, or by calling 1-800-255-8989, extension 3103. That's 1-800-255-8989, extension 3103. Cybergenics Total Bodybuilding System, the natural approach for bodybuilding.